this tutorial I'll show you how to basically control the sound system of your Android device. Just go to settings. On the device menu, just click on the sound. Here you will see a set of options available for the sound. You can just change the ringtones here. Just add a new ringtone or change your ringtone. That is from the list available, and then choose other options. In the system there are options like dial by touch tones, touch sounds, screen lock sounds, vibrate on touch. So basically there are whole lot different set of options available on different Android devices, and you can just personalize on the way you want and have a perfect control on sound on the device.